India-China border standoff has thrown light on the need of advanced military equipment for soldiers deployed in high altitudes. Futuristic exoskeleton is one such equipment. So what exactly are exoskeletons? Rapidly emerging as a part of modern troops' body gadget, exoskeletons are external frames that can be worn over regular uniform or combat gear to augment a soldier's strength. Particularly beneficial for patrolling, it helps soldiers to walk in snow in high altitude inhuman environments in minus 30 to minus 40 degrees. Exoskeleton suits can weigh around 20 kilograms of assisted strength, and they relieve more than 50% of the load burden of soldiers. In a thin oxygen climate, they reduce fatigue, exhaustion, and risks of injury of troops. What is the current status of exoskeletons in India? Multiple R&D in the bioengineering, biomedical, biomechanics, actuators and control systems and electromedical technology is being carried out by DRDO for this futuristic technology. As per some reports, exoskeleton project may be handed over to the IITs. DBEL is the nodal lab doing the R&D on this. As per Financial Express, the biomechanical characteristics of the soldier during various logistic activities such as transportation of goods, ration, ammunition, etc. through diverse terrains for long distances with their complete military gear has been systematically captured and analyzed. Exoskeleton systems are being designed and developed for specific military logistic applications involving bending, lifting of payload, walking with payload anterior to the body and unloading the same. Various concepts and configurations are being designed and developed currently. DRDO has been progressing on the different design approaches to build an augmentative exoskeleton for the Indian Army. DRDO is working on two designs of augmentative exoskeletons. Passive unpowered augmentative exoskeleton. These use passive elements such as springs, dampeners, etc. to transfer the payload to the ground. Second, active powered augmentative exoskeleton. These not only transfer the payload to the ground but also impart energy through the actuators, resulting in reduced energy consumption by the soldiers. So does China have exoskeletons? China has recently come out with military-grade exoskeleton suits which are powered and used for carrying ammunition. Earlier version of the exoskeletons has helped Chinese soldiers in high altitudes.